Hi guys, today we're going to be making a paper origami plane. And then the video I'll show you how it flies. Right, the first step is, here, you're going to grab your piece of paper, grab these two edges here at the back, and in front of you, and fold them across. That. That's the first step. Fold it across. On this side, you'll fold it across here, like this. Then, you're going to open it back up. You're going to grab this edge, fold it down to the bottom here. Look at that. Okay, now you're going to open it back up, turn it around, and grab this side, fold it, do the same thing but across the line to the top here. The end of the line. And that. I'll open it up now. You see, you have this. You are going to grab these, line in front of you this, so you have a cross in front of you, and a line straight down. You are going to grab these two edges, fold it across, so like this. This edge is going to go on this line here. You'll see the line on that side of the cross. All the way down like this. That. Like that. Now you're gonna push this. You're gonna put it here like this. You're going to open these up, push it down like that, and then like this. So you're going to triangle at the top. Then you're going to put it here. You're going to grab this edge, fold it here like that. Like this. Then you're going to fold it back. No, you're going to crease it so really well. Really well. You're going to flip it over, open it up on the other side, and then crease it again. Really, really well. Look, I'm going to go over here now. I'm going to crease. Look at this. You're going to open this up. Like that. Now here on the line that you creased, you're going to rip. Yeah, rip it off gently. You're going to use this piece. Like that. Now you're gonna put this away gently. You're gonna keep this piece. You're gonna crease it here, fold it across and crease it. You're gonna open it up. You're gonna take this shorter side, fold it down to the line. this line. Then you're going to open it up. Okay, you're going to fold this down like that. Like this. Then I'm going to open it up. I'm going to take this, fold it into the middle where you made that line. Like that. All the way to the middle. And do the same thing on the other side. Turn around, fold all the way to the middle. That line you made. Like that. Then you're going to open this side up. You're going to fold this one in, but to this middle line here. The one where you fold to the middle line, you're going to open that flap up and then fold this in. And then do the same thing on the other side. Open this up and then fold it in. Like that. Then you're going to fold it in. I'm going to grab this side and this side here. Like this. You're going to turn it around and grab this side. And you have that line here. Close, and then you're going to rip it halfway. And then you will rip it halfway like that. Then you will open these ones, because these ones here have to be folded. And then you're going to fold this down like that. This. You open this up. You got your tail. This. Now you're going to put this and save it. And go back to your other piece. You are going to grab this flap. You see I have 2 flaps. 1, 2. Grab this flap, fold it up to the top, like that. And do the same thing on the other side. Fold it up to the top. Like that. So, I'll do that again. It's going to go like this. You're going to fold this up to the top. Here too. You put it here. Then you're going to take this flap, fold it here. So it looks like this. You fold it into this. Then you do the same thing on the other side. That. Then you're going to open it up. And do the same thing. This time, the point is at the bottom. It was at the top, now it's at the bottom. Same thing on the other side. It was at the top, now it's at the bottom. You keep like, you're going to open it up now. You are going to go like this. Close it. Get crease like this. Like that. And then you're going to push it up. So like this, like that. Like that. Like that. And fold it up. Then you have these. Now you push them back up. You flip it over. Now you're going to go under here, like this. Just above this, you're going to pull it back, like that. So, you're going to go this, above this, and then pull back. Alright, now, what you're going to do is it's starting to look like a bit of a bird now. You're going to grab this, you're going to fold it in, like that. Reset. Alright, like this. Now, you're going to grab one wing, you're going to fold it up to this edge here, to the end. Turn it, flip it around, the same thing on the other side. The edge. That. And now you've got wings. So you're going to keep it closed, you're going to grab this now, you're going to fold it down, like that. And flip it over, do the same thing on the other side. Right, now you're going to open this up, open these up, grab your tail you made, open the tail up here, and grab it here, push it in, like that. And you got your plane. Now, I'll show you guys how it flies. This. See? Pretty cool. Alright, thanks for watching Sharing Eliash. Hope you like this video. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!